Hey Buffs, here's a quick video on how to connect an iPhone to CU Secure Wi-Fi. We're going to show you the whole process, including connecting to the CU Guest network, downloading the CU Secure certificate, and finally connecting your phone to CU Secure. Once installed, the certificate will enable your phone to automatically connect to CU Secure when in range of any building using the CU Secure network, making it easy to stay connected on campus. You'll be able to follow along with this video, but we also have a full tutorial with screenshots and links to additional information on our website, oit.colorado.edu/cu-secure. And please note that you'll need to use Safari for the entirety of this process. Sometimes it's easiest to make this your default browser for the time being, so visit our tutorial for a direct link to Apple's instructions. Let's get started. So to download the certificate, you'll need to be connected to the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect to CU Guest. So we've selected CU Guest, and we're taken to the new CU Guest login page. You can enter your identity username and password. If you're a guest to CU, you can request guest credentials to get online. On the Success page, click wifi.colorado.edu to be taken to the certificate download page. When the campus Wi-Fi page opens, click the Install the CU Secure Certificate button. Then confirm your operating system is correct or use the drop-down at the bottom of the page to change it and click Sign In. If you're not logged in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft login page. Enter your identity username at colorado.edu, then click Next, and enter your identity password and click Sign In. At this point, you may be prompted to complete Microsoft multi-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to authenticate, and if you need any help, visit our website for assistance. Now you'll be taken back to the campus Wi-Fi page, and you can tap Register your device. Tap Allow to download the new profile, and then on the next screen, you're going to want to tap iPhone. Now open your settings and tap on either Profile Downloaded or More for your iPhone, whichever it reads. If you can't find this profile, go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. Tap Install, and then enter your passcode. Tap Install one more time, and then when it's finished enrolling, click Done. Finally, let's double check that your phone has switched to CU Secure, and then we're going to quickly open a browser and make sure we can access the internet. From now on, CU Secure will appear in your device's known Wi-Fi networks and should connect automatically when in range. Find more information and learn how to connect other devices on our website, oit.colorado.edu/cu-secure. Thanks for watching.